Hello everyone, welcome back to my online teaching platform. We are still looking at how to differentiate given trigonometric function. Alright, so we have a function here, a trigonometric function here, and the function is z in terms of sine x. Okay, so now we are to differentiate the given function. So let us start work. Write our solution first. So we are finding a solution to the given problem. So we have the problem as z being a function of x. So we have it as z is equal to ax squared multiplying sine x squared. Okay, multiplying sine x squared. And we are to differentiate, or we are to find the z, the x. So looking at this expression, you could see that we can rewrite it as product of two factors, which is ax squared multiplying sine x squared. Okay, so we can rewrite it as z is equal to ax squared times sine x squared. Now, since we have two factors multiplying to give us the term, we are going to apply the product rule. So we'll name ax squared as our u and sine x squared as our v. So we are going to get our z to be equal to u multiplying v. Okay, so we have our u to be ax squared, which implies that we need to get the derivative of u with respect to x. So we need to find the u, the x. So we are going to differentiate ax squared with respect to x. So we are going to get 2. Then a is a constant, so we still maintain the a. So we are going to reduce the power here by 1. And that will give us ax exponent 1. And this becomes the derivative of function u. Now let's take the other one, which is v. Our v is sine x squared. Okay. Now we can rewrite sine x squared as sine x in bracket, then raised to the power 2. So let us differentiate our v. So we are going to get the v, the x, to be, looking at this expression, you could see that you have to apply the chain rule because this is a composite function. So you maintain what we have in the bracket. We have sine x in the bracket. Then you bring down the power of the sine x, and that will be 2. And the power will be reduced by 1, multiplying the derivative of the expression in the bracket. When you differentiate sine x, you are going to get cos x. So let us multiply, and this will give us 2 cos x. Then x, sine x in bracket raised to the power 2 minus 1. So the power becomes 1. So it's going to be sine x. So we have 2 cos x sine x as the derivative of sine x squared. So we can now find our dz, dx using the product rule. So we have our v multiplying du dx plus our u also multiplying the v dx. So we just need to substitute the various components into the formula. We have our v to be sine x squared. Then we have our du dx. Our du dx is 2ax. All right. Let us bring it 2ax plus our u. Our u is ax squared multiplying the derivative of v, and the derivative of v is 2 cos x sine x. Okay, so let us verify. Let me verify. Okay, it's here. 2 cos x sine x. All right, let's continue. So you now multiply. We have sine x squared multiplying 2ax. So it's going to be 2ax sine x squared. Then we have the second part of the function to be ax squared multiplying 2 cos x sine x. So we are going to get it as 2ax squared cos x sine x. All right. Now you could say that they have a common factor. So we can factorize 2ax out. So we have 2ax here, but here we have 2ax squared. So the highest common factor will be 2ax. Okay. Now when we take sine x squared and that of the sine over here, we say they also have a highest common factor, which will be the sine x. So they are going to factorize 2ax sine x out, then open bracket. When 2a divides these two, we are going to get 1. So then when sine x divides, here is sine x squared, which is the same as sine x times sine x. So this is the same as sine x times sine x. Okay. So when this sine x divides the sine x squared, we are left with sine x over here. Okay. Now when you use the 2a here, 2ax here to divide this 2ax squared, you'll be left with x. Okay, then we now use the sine x here to divide the sine x here, and you are going to get 1, and that one will multiply this cos x. So you'll be left with cos x over here. So our answer, our dz dx is equal to ax sine x multiplying sine x plus x cos x. All right. So this becomes our dv, sorry, our dz dx, our dz dx. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Math with Ebefa, and also try to comment whenever you watch any of my videos, and try to also like my videos as well. Bye.